Hello?
Yeah, bro.
Roger.
Yeah.
So Vinay, the yesterday's topic got covered over.
What?
The EBS one, I was facing an error.
Yes, I will help you.
Okay.
Okay. Just now we created a server.
Hmm.
Okay. Hello?
Yes, Vinay.
New person was joined. Hello? Okay, no problem.
Yeah, hello.
Okay. Do you have any previous knowledge in AWS Cloud and DevOps?
Not really, just basic knowledge. I don't know.
Okay. Do you know how to create server?
Uh, I have not done practically. I have just seen some videos.
Okay. Okay. Just I have logged into my AWS account. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, I have logged into AWS account. I created one server, and just now I connected to my server.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want to make my server as a website. Okay. Uh, I'm installing HTTP application in my server. I'm install HTTP. Yes. Service HTTP. Okay. If you see there, it was in active state. You can check there. Now, I want some HTML code. Any one of you have any HTML code? Using this one. I'm saving this particular code in my server. Firstly, I need to go to this particular path. Index.html. Okay, I'm saving this code in this particular file at this corresponding location. I have saved this code in my server. Then, if you see there, then our server is appear as a website. See this one. Whatever code if you said, it will be appear like this. Whatever code you can save, it will be appear like this. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
If you have any different code, then it will be appear differently. Do you have any code you can share me? I will do the process. Do you have any different code you can share me? And one thing, for example, as of now, it is a small code. uh, Now if you have any big website related to company, okay, got it, that we are maintaining in a server. Okay. Currently it's a small thing, right? Then only less people will visit this site. So there is no any problem if a number of requests increasing day to day. Like for example, currently I'm only reaching this server using this particular IP address, but uh, checking reaching this page using this public IP, it's not look professionally, right? We need to provide a host name resolution. Like we need to provide a host name resolution for this particular thing. Okay, HTML. Have you prepared this one?
No, I just pulled it off from a website.
Yes, tell me.
I just took it from a website.
Okay, what is the output of this one?
This is actually the Flipkart's website.
Okay, that's fine. You started this one. Started HTML and it,
I
is
don't
it
know. The length here is small because it is very big. I just saw that it
okay?
just came
Okay.
half over here, maybe.
Okay, we will do one thing differently.
Yeah.
Okay, see W3 schools. W3
If we
schools.
just see the source code view in source code, we'll get the HTML
I'm
of anything.
selecting right click. See, this is the website, right? I'm
Hmm.
doing something differently. I'm doing right click. See, there is inspect option is there.
Yes.
I'm selecting inspect. Then I will get the code of this particular thing. You can also do like this. But no need. We will go with this one only. No problem. Where is I'm using two things. See, first of all, I want to explain one thing. I am reaching this page using this public IP address, right? Have you noticed it?
Yeah, yeah.
Is it
Public.
looking professionally?
No.
For everyone, will you share this IP address?
No, we'll have to
Uh,
share the HTTP and the
Not like
website.
that. Okay, I'm saying it's a W3 school. So for example, so it is a W. What the thing is there? www.w3schools.com. Okay, and also it is attached with the HTTPS because it is a secureable. It means if anywhere if you have seen like a HTTPS, it means it is a secure website. Otherwise, it is not secure because they have attached some SSL certificate to this particular website. That the thing is going there. Now, but we are searching this one using this particular IP address. It's not look professional. And one more thing, even our server has a DNS. This is a public IP address. Along we have public DNS. We can also search with that DNS also. See, this is our server public DNS. EC2 like this, region in like this. But even this one also not looks professional, right? Even this one also not looks professional. Then what we need to do? We need to provide a host name resolution. Where is it? Now is it not looking professional? So we need to provide host name resolution for our page. Now one more service in AWS that is called Route 53. Route 53. If you say there, one thing we need to buy one domain from online in order to provide host name resolution for our page. See, if you go to this particular dashboard, uh, so many things are there. See, domains are registered domains. Okay, I'm selecting this one just for showing you. I'm selecting this one. You can buy domains there. See, I'm selecting register domains. Tell me any domain name you want. For example, I'm looking studyweb.com. Okay, I'm searching this one. It's showing the particular domain name is okay, it's available. See, it's showing studiesweb.com. uh, this particular domain is $13, and some other domains related to this one cost like this. We need to buy this particular domain from online, and you need to add this domain in route 53 in order to provide host name resolution for our site. But if you feel this domain is too expensive, there is one other way you can do, that is godaddy.com. It is a official domain provider where you can buy domains. Okay, GoDaddy. It is one of the official site where you can buy domains. Now I'm going to this particular thing. See, it asking search domain. Now there are also I'm using studyweb.com and selecting like this. Okay, then it will show the list of domains available. See, the cost is something. Previously, we have seen $13, $11 like that. I think it is too expensive, approximately 800 to 900 rupees. But this particular website giving domain for only approximately 100 to 150 rupees. Maximum some other things are there, it will be reaches up to 400 500, but you need to check what is the least where you need to check different things. Some of the things will be get for 50 rupees, some of the things will get for 100 rupees, where you can buy this one, and you need to integrate this particular domain to route 53. That's the thing we need to do, you need to follow. Everyone understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, yes, yes.
Whether you can if
So
you
here
want,
we can give the domain name, you mean,
yeah,
right?
whether if you want to give host name resolution for your site, you can do one thing. You need to buy from AWS or from I am suggesting GoDaddy. I'm not suggesting particular thing, I am following this one. If you want something else, you can search, and you can buy from particular thing. Okay, and I am using from GoDaddy, and I have already registered my domain in route 53. See, I'm selecting there in the list, hosted zone is there na. I have buy this particular domain, that is vinaymentor.in. I have bought this one from GoDaddy. I'm selecting this one. We need to follow some of the steps in order to integrate the domain to route 53. Okay, first of all, if you want how I have created, when you open first time this route 53, it will be empty like this. Not this one, this thing is not appear. You need to create this one, create a hosted zone, and we need to enter your name. Then it will be created. Then later, what it will be get? Once you created, you will get only these first two things. At the time of wait, I'll delete third one. Okay, when you create this domain, I mean when you create this hosted record for the first time, you will get these first two things only. No need to create those two things. Okay, you need to maintain those two things. When you create this first one, you will get these two things, and this thing contains these values. You can call this one as a named servers. Okay, you have these four values now. You need to you you need to add these values under your domain. Okay, when you bought this domain, it will become under your products. Okay, when you bought this one, it will come under your products. Then you need to go to the particular site. I will explain how I have done for your understanding purpose. Mm, okay. Where is study? Okay, if you see this one, it's my account, if you check there, I'm selecting my products. Okay, I'm selecting my products. See, this was a domain I have bought previously. I'm selecting this one. I'm selecting this one there. I'm selecting domain. See, it asking domain settings. Under this particular settings, what I need to do under this particular settings, I need to add these all the values. By default, GoDaddy has some other values. We need to delete those things, and we need to add these values. then Route 53 and GoDaddy domain will be integrated. Everyone understand, or I need to explain more?
Yes, understood.
If you want, you need to follow this one. Okay. If anyone not understand, I will just explain again how to buy, how to do all these things. Okay, now previously I have created this hosted zone, right? Now I'm creating a new record. Okay, I'm creating new record. This domain name is constant. Before you can give whatever you want, even if you want www, you can give. If you want a web, you can give. As of now, I'm giving www dot. There I need to enter my IP address. If it is by default, you need to give IP address. Okay, by default it will be appear like this. Now if you want to give your IP address, you can give there. See, I'm giving my IP address. See, I'm copying my IP address and I'm adding there. Okay, I'm adding there. It will be works. If you want to give your DNS, okay, if you want to give your IP address, you can add. If you want to give your DNS, that's also you can give. But that's the thing, we need to give at. You need to select there is a C name, right? You need to select a C name, and we need to give your DNS name. Or else, if you want to give your IP address, you can use a default thing, and you can give the IP address. Then your record will be created with www dot this particular domain name, like the thing will be there. Yes. Yes, tell me. Okay, Tejashni, but I'm with Venkatesh Shailesh class. Once it's complete, I will test you. Then we can connect. Okay. 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 Bye. Now it is in pending state. It will be inactive in a few seconds. It will be activated. If you check this one, just I'm saying, see, it was activated. Just I am searching in Chrome. See, what the thing, I just provide a host name resolution for my page. I can share to anyone. You can also search www.vinay dot in your phones and in your laptops. Then the particular page will be appear. As of now, I am using a small HTML code. If you have any application code or whatever you want, if you deploy in server, it will be appear like this. Okay. This is a basic thing. Now we will discuss about some more things. Any questions? You can ask me now. Any questions you can ask me now.
No, Azul.
Balasai.
Yeah, no, no, no. I understand.
Mm,
Go ahead.
okay. Okay. And one thing I want to share. Now we have added our code in only one server, right? That too, the server capacity is very small. If daily for my page, number of requests are getting like daily 100 people trying to reach my page, or daily 500 people trying to reach my page, then what it will be happen? This server doesn't have that much of capacity. then the server will goes to hung stage. Then at that kind of scenario, we need to follow different things, like I will explain you with the help of diagram. Mm, okay, for example, consider this one as okay, consider this one as okay, one group. In that particular group, consider this one as server 1, server 1, server 2, server 3, and server 4. Now what I will do, I will create four servers. I will create four servers, and I will make them as a group. I am calling that one as a target group. This is very important thing. Wherever you will go, target group, load balancers, all the things is very important. Even if you go to DevOps, even if you go to Kubernetes also, target group and load balancer topic is very important. So please listen carefully, and if you, when I'm doing, if you have any questions, if you stuck at somewhere else, you can ask me. Target group. See, you can call this one as a server 1. Okay. uh, Server 1, server 2, server 3, server 4. Every server, server 1 with application code. Okay, with application code. Application code means you can think like a HTML code or whatever it may be. Okay, I'm creating 4 or 5 servers, depends upon requirement. In every server I install HTTP application or something, and I'll add my code. Like this, I will do for all the servers. Code, like we can use this common word, application code. Now what I will do, I will take 3 or 4 servers, depends upon my requirement. Then I will add the same code. Okay, because I will add the same code. I will add the same code to all the servers. Then network load balancer, network load balancer. I am attaching this target group the to load balancer. Now this is route 53 for host name resolution. This is very important thing. That's why I am trying to do like this. and this is internet. Okay, whenever for example I'm taking this one for host name resolution. For host name resolution, whenever the outside person search with www dot, for example I am using my domain name. Okay, whenever outside person search with this particular domain name then it will reach us the internet. It will check where it was storing. It will go to route 53. Route 53 will say we are attaching our DNS or something what you are attaching, right? Then route 53 is send to load balancer. Before what we have done, we have attached our public IP. Okay, previously we have attached our public IP of the server to route 53, but in this kind of setup we will attach the load balancer to the right route 53. I will explain that one how to attach. Now it will reach us to route 53 because the domain is stored in route 53. Then the thing, uh, the traffic will be reached differently, but first of all I am explaining the scenario. Okay, now it will reach the route 53. Then from route 53 it will reach the load balancer. We have attaching our target to load balancer, right? Then the thing will be there. If for example 100 we will get a 100 requests to load balancer. Load balancer will commonly distribute to all the servers. It will get 1,000 requests, then it will commonly distribute to all the servers. This the thing will be happen at the back end. This is a basic scenario. If you have any questions on this thing, you can ask me. Now just I explained with a line diagram. Now I will explain with the practically with the creating number of servers and adding all the things. And one more thing, previously I have said you this thing, right? uh, where is the diagram? Availability zones. I think this one. Okay. Previously, what I have said, in every region we have three availability zones, right? Do you remember this one? Every time we are creating two or three subnets under same VPC. Do you remember this point?
Yes, 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 sir.
Every time we are
Yes,
creating,
Vinay.
okay, different availability zones, right? There also what? Where is this one? There also what you will do, we will create we create server 1 in one availability zone, and we create server 2 in other availability zone, and we create server 3 another, like that we will create different servers in different availability zone for high availability. Then load balancer commonly distribute the request coming from the internet to commonly to all the servers. I will share this diagram, no problem. If you have any questions in this line diagram, you can ask me.
Vinay, uh,
Yes.
yep. Are you going to install same application in the all the servers or like how it works?
Yes. Same application means just you think once what we want to do. If we if we store our code in only one server,
Yeah.
see carefully. This is my code. It's a small code because I'm getting this online. Okay, if you are maintaining any website or anything, okay, that you are storing in only single server, then if your website become more popular, then daily you are getting 250 requests, 300 requests, 1000 requests, then how a single server can manage your website? It's not possible, right? Then a server
Yes,
will
yes.
be go to hung state. At that kind of scenario, we need to follow this kind of setup. What we are doing, we are maintaining 3 or 4 servers. In every server, if it is an application, that's a different scenario. I'm talking about website as of now. Okay, in every server I'm storing the same code. And what I'm doing, I am forming the all the servers as one group. I'm forming all the servers as one group, and I'm attaching that group to load balancer. Then what is the purpose of load balancer? It will commonly distribute the request to all the servers. And I'm using Route 53 for hostname resolution. You can use directly load balancer, but for hostname resolution we are using because it's looking professional. Just giving DNS to client or anything is not looking professional, right? So I'm using Route 53. That's the thing is going on there. If you have any questions in this line diagram, you can ask me. Now I will explain how to make this setup practically. I will share this diagram in our group. For everything, even if the VPC peering, NAT gateway, everything, first of all you need to draw the line diagram or anything in your notes. Then it will be better to do the practical thing. Directly going to the practical, it's not recommended. Understand?
Yes, yes, yes.
Because we need to
Yes,
know,
right.
we need to plan our things. We need to plan our things. Even if you are constructing house or anything also, first what you will do, first of all you plan in a paper. Understand? First of all you need to plan in a paper, right? Like I have this much of area, I want to build my house in this much of area, I want to do all these things, I want 2 floors live. First of all you need to plan in paper, right? Like the same thing also, no directly going, if you have we need to set up some things. Hmm? Can I start practical?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. First of all, what I have done, I have created a server one in availability zone. Sorry, it is availability zone one, right? Because it is 2A. Got the point?
Mm.
Yes.
Got the point. Already I have one server in availability zone 2A. Now, what I will do, I will create 2 more servers in other 2 zones. I am launching 2 servers. Uh, server 2. Now there I will pick subnet 2 because I want to add my server in availability zone 2. I need to choose same VPC. Remember this point. I need to choose same VPC. No, choosing other VPC is not recommended. Previously I have chosen subnet 1. That is, now I am choosing subnet 2. And automatically enable because I have made the settings and existing security group. That is my security group. And I'm launching the instance. It will be launched. Now I want to launch one more server. I'm going to launch one more server. That is server 3. I'm choosing the key pair Kedari. Now I'm choosing subnet 3 because I want availability zone 3. This is see, it's showing AP Southeast 2C. Now I'm selecting my security group. That is my security group. Now I'm launching my server. Now I'm connecting to all the servers. This is blue color. Okay. First of all, it will be refresh. I'm connecting to my server. No need. There itself I can connect. I click new session. Mm, oh, this is second server. In order to like two servers in same color, maybe chance of confusion. So I'm changing color. Modify. I'm choosing this one is fine. No problem. Now other server also. 2A, 2B, 2C. Okay. This is the third one. Sudosu. Right click, new section, load, open. Change settings, colors. Mhm. So now just I'm installing application in my server. Install HTTP. Every time it asking yes, so I'm giving iPhone Y. So no need to ask guys. In other server also install HTTP hyphen Y service HTTP start. Now I have just for example I'm taking three servers. It's up to you. You can choose four servers, five servers. Okay. Now I'm going to the same path because in HTTP application we need to save our index.html file in this particular path. So I'm going to this particular path. If you want confirmation, you can also check in online. HTML location for HTTP application like that you can search. HTML well, index.html. Okay, sorry, vi and giving end. I Where is my code? Previously I got this one. I'm getting the same code. Mm, Control C. Okay, just I'm saving this one. Now index.html. Mm, I'm saving this one. And one thing, I have three servers. Just for understanding, I'm changing a small thing in my code. See, uh, okay, there just I'm adding one point. Right, what is going there? Right, H2 code in AZ1 slash H2. Just for understanding, I'm doing this one. You will get it why I am doing like this later. Similarly, there I will do. Mm, right, right here. There I will give code in agent to. To explanatory marker. Similarly, in other server, I'll do like this. Agent 3 marker. Now, I will do these things. Okay. First of all, I am searching this particular one in browser. See, if you see this one, what it's showing code in availability zone 1, and I'm taking this one code in availability zone 2. Okay, this also work. It will also work. What happened there? Okay, okay, got it, got it. I have saved this file at particular thing. This ls uh, cp html slash var slash www html slash dot html. Okay. Now ll. Okay. Now it will be work. Now you got it. What I have done now. This is this one belongs to server 1, and this one belongs to server 2, and this one belongs to server 3. Just for difference I have done this one. Now I will explain you what is target group. Previously I have draw this one, right? What is target group, what is load balancer. You will see what the thing is going on. Now in EC2 only, if you scroll down, there is target group, load balance. I'm selecting target group. I'm selecting this one. I'm creating target group. Okay, I'm selecting instances. Scroll down, target group one, tg1, any random name you can give. Any one of you aware of this concept earlier or first time?
For me, it's first time.
Okay, okay, okay. Now I'm giving any random name. I'm giving tg1. And remember one thing. Currently we are using network load balancer. Okay, network load balancer. So that's why I need to choose a TCP. Okay, for network load balancer we need to choose a TCP protocol. I'm scrolling down, and there I'm giving IPv4 and VPC. I'm selecting my VPC. This is my VPC because in this particular VPC only my servers was deployed. I'm scrolling down. Okay, I'm scrolling down. I'm giving next. I'm giving next, and I am selecting all the servers. I'm selecting all the servers. It will show the list of servers running. Say for example in EC2, for example 5 to 10 servers are running, then it will show all the data. But we need to pick the required servers only, because in that particular servers only our application, the particular application is running, so we need to select the particular instances we needed. Then I'm selecting include as pending below. If you can note the points, if you are think will forgot like that, no, you can note the points. See, whenever you select include as pending below, it will be appear like this. Now I am creating my target group. Then target group was created. Now what I will do, I am going to load balancer. See, I am selecting load balancer. Now I am creating load balancer. See, creating load balancer. See, different types of load balancer available. I will also explain this one. First I am going to network load balancer. Create network load. Choose properly which load balancers you are creating. I am creating network load balancer. Create load balancer name. I am giving NLB, any random name you can give. And internet facing IPv4, that's fine. Now I need to pick my VPC, and this is my VPC, and it will ask to
John.
pick the subnets. See, because my server is running in this particular subnet only, that's why I'm picking that particular subnet. My server is running, and in availability zone 1 my server is running in this one is private subnet, and so my server is running this particular subnet, so I'm selecting that one. In availability zone 3 my server is running in this particular, so I'm choosing this one. All the things I have done. Now I my servers are attached to this particular target group, so I'm selecting that target group. And as we know that network load balancer is running for TCP, it will be by default. Now previously I have created target group. I have created, that's why it will be appear in this list. So I'm picking that one. And finally no need some all these things. I'm creating load balancer. Now it now it will take a few minutes to come into activate state. We need to wait. We need to wait. And this load balancer will get one DNS, like our server have public IP and one DNS, right? Similarly, this load balancer also will get one DNS. You need to wait until it came to activate state. Load balancer target group is very important. You need to practice more. Network load balancer is somewhat easy, but application load balancer is some of the tricky. Just we need to remember that one. If you are comfortable, I will close the application load balancer also now. No, if you are not comfortable, we will do that tomorrow. It will take a few minutes, but I have application load balancer recorded video explained by me. I will share that one also for your comfort.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Just I will explain. Also share the recorded video, because maybe if any chance you forgot, then that video will be helpful.
Yeah, that would be better.
Yes. ఎంతసేపమ్మా? See, by default, this load balancer have one DNS, right? I'm copying that one. I'm copying and searching in Chrome. If you see this one, just it will help to reach our server. Or, What happened? Got it? This is my load balancer DNS. See NLB. See this one. Uh, this is target group. Huh? Okay. See NLB1, NLB1, FD7. Okay. This is my load balancer DNS. What we have done, we make all the we created one target group. For that target group, we added all of our servers. Then we have connected our target group to load balancer. Okay, now if you see this one, if we are searching using a load balancer DNS, we are reaching to server. Now it's not a big thing. The main thing what the load balancer is doing is, if I keep on refreshing, and then it will at some of the time, it will also reach to some other server. See, see currently, uh, it's connected to, like, currently it's reaching to server 1. See, and keep on refreshing. See, have you observed what's going there?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's going there?
Changing server. It's changing
Yeah,
server.
So
yeah.
the availability zone is changing.
Yeah, okay. Server, okay. Why? Because we have deployed 3 servers and connected our load
Yes.
balancer thing, right? If I like, it will take like a new request. At sometimes it will connect to other server and keep on refreshing. You can also search with your devices. If you want, I will paste in the meeting chat. I'm pasting in the meeting chat. You can also search with your devices how it was going there, and keep on refreshing. It will connect to other servers sometimes.
Like it randomly hits a different server, or
Uh,
there is some conditions based on that it
Conditions,
goes to.
not like any conditions. It randomly hit the servers. Like, conditions means, it's a different scenario. It depends upon like a path. Okay, for example, if you mention any particular path, then it will reach us a particular thing. That's related to application load balancer. Now, as of now, we are learning a network load balancer. It will just go to direct way. Okay, just direct way. um, and coming, also its
It is
performance also
like
very high.
yeah.
Yes, tell me.
Mhm. Okay. No, so it is like generally, I just know that we use load balancer because to regulate the traffic. If there is more traffic or more requests coming, then we distribute among the different servers, right? So,
Yes,
like
yes,
here, like for any request, it randomly goes to any server. That in case of like more traffic or more thing, how it gets regulated, or there are
yes.
some kind of conditions we need to like configure
Conditions
for
is
that.
like, that's what I said during explanation. If it gets 10 requests, it will distribute to all the servers. If it get 100 requests, it will commonly distribute to all the servers. Commonly distribute to all the servers. Not like no, it don't transfer 100 requests to server 1. It will transfer first 30, second 30, like that. It will distribute to all the servers in the target group. That the thing will be happened, commonly distributed. If you want that type of
Okay.
conditions, like, you can follow different things. Mm, uh, Now network load balancer scenario will be like this. In application load balancer, you can set priorities, like, for in application load balancer, we have different target groups. There you can set priorities. priority value like that, we can set. But in network load balancer, no, just we have attaching this one, it will directly reach to the target group, and at the back end it will connect to the servers, and also its performance is very high compared to other load balancers, because it will reach directly, no any other milestones in between these things. This is the use case of
Like,
network load balancer. Every time if you refresh now, it will now see, it will now it's connect to server 3. Now it is a load balancer DNS now. It is also not looking much professional. Now what I will do, I will provide host name resolution to my load balancer DNS. That's just creating a record. Previously, what we have done, just we have entered the IP address there. Now we can do different thing. Previously, we have used www dot. Now I'm using web. Okay, web dot automatically domain name will be constant. Web dot in. Now I'm selecting alias. Okay, I'm selecting alias. It asking route traffic to endpoint. It means it will reach to other one of the AWS services. Okay, it means it will route the traffic to other AWS service only. Okay, I'm selecting. We have created network load balancer, right? So I'm selecting alias to network load balancer, and I'm choosing region. My region is Sydney. Okay, and I'm selecting Sydney. Okay, Sydney. Whenever you have entered these both conditions, it will check. Like in this particular region, if there is a network load balancer or not. If we have created, then it will be appear in this list. See, it was appearing. Now we have created this record name for this particular load balancer. I'm creating this record. It will also be into activated in a few seconds. Something will be happen like this. Now we are searching with this load balancer DNS name, right? Now we can search with this domain name. It will be appear directly. It will also it this record name is linked with the load balancer, right? Then it will also reach us randomly to our servers. You can check. We have created a record name with web dot, right? Just check there. This is a web dot, and copying that one. See, I'm searching in my Chrome web dot when I went dot in. If I search this one, it will also randomly see. If we keep on refresh, it will reach to other server at once upon a time. You can also search in your devices. Just I provide host name resolution for load balancer DNS. Any questions you can ask me. If you are okay, I will also start the application load balancer now. Now if you are not okay, we will discuss tomorrow. See, if I just keep on refresh this one, it is one of the browser. Now I will search in other browser. It is other browser. Where is this one? There I am searching www dot, sorry, web dot, right? Web dot 9. No. Okay, it also reach the same. If we keep on refresh, it will reach to other zone. See, now it will connect it to other server at the backend because it was integrated with the load balancer. That's the thing I have explained to you. It was integrated with the load balancer. If everyone search from outside, it will come like this to our server. And one more thing, if anyone, for your understanding, I'm searching www.vinaymentor.in. Then what's the thing is happening? This particular domain, is the particular domain is maintaining by. Sorry, this particular domain is belongs to GoDaddy. And previously I have said we have added some values related to posted zone and Route 53 to that GoDaddy. Got it? First of all, it will go to GoDaddy. GoDaddy contains some values from from values of Route 53. Then it says that values is maintaining by particular account in Route 53. Then it will reach us to Route 53. Then we have integrated our load balancer to Route 53, right? Then it will reach us to load balancer. It will connect to load balancer. Then it will our load balancer as target group and server. Then it will reach to our server. This thing will be happening at the back end for any website if they are following this kind of setup. Mostly, if any site, this kind of scenario will be there. Mainly these things. Any questions from your side? Any doubts? You can ask me. You can also, if you want, it's working or not. You can also search from your devices. Venkatesh,
Yes, when
have any questions or doubts, bro?
no, no.
Uh, can I start application load balancer also, or I need to start tomorrow? If you are okay, I will start now. Or you will practice and send screenshot in our group.
I think it's very better. Let us practice for today.
Okay. Okay. Can we discuss application load balancer tomorrow?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All of you. I think no one posted elastic block volumes in group. Please post all the screenshots in group. It's better for you only. And also try to practice this thing and post in group.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, sure.
Tomorrow I will explain application load balancer.
This is to be practiced with the free account, like we have to create.
Yeah, AWS account, it's not like free. They will provide 1 year free trial account. In that 1 year, only we have limit to use under free trial. If you cross that limit, they will charge some money.
Mhm.
Got it or not?
Yeah,
Hmm.
Vinay, do you have any limit for creating instances, number of instances?
Yes, I think 5 is the limit. I think so.
Right. Okay.
Even VPC also 5. You cannot able to create more than 5 VPCs. And one thing, this target group, no, I think this load balancer also will get bill. It is also not comes under free trial. Once you practice, after completion of practice, you need to delete the load balancer and target group, all these things. Otherwise, you will get bill. And if you come to EC2, EC2 also have a certain level of limit. If you cross that limit, like using more, like creating instances and leaving like that. For example, if you created 3 or more instances, you leave for 10 days or 20 days, then it means you are crossing the limit. They have number of hours, I think monthly 750 hours limit for EC2 server. You can think like that. Why 750 hours? It more not think like that because if you are using only single server, then it will be more. Now what I have doing now I have created 3 servers. Got it? 3 servers means if I leave for 24 hours, then what it will be? If I leave for 1 day, then it will be equal to 72 hours. Within 10 days, 750 hours will be completed. Then I will get more bill. If I am using only one server, then daily 24 hours, then only 24 hours. Then per month, maybe no problem. But if you are using 3 servers, 4 servers like that, you can easily cross the limit. Whenever you completion of practice, you need to delete all the things. For VPC, you don't get bill. Subnet you don't get bill, but for EC2 server you will get bill. For load balancer you will get bill. Even for using Route 53 also you will get bill. Every time I have created this zone and leaved. Every time I am unable to delete and again create, right? If it is a server, no problem, but it is a hosted zone and domain. Every time I'm unable to create. That's why I leave it because I need to spend some money, because I need to practice, I need to view some things, all these things. Because I leave route 53. I'm not creating daily. I leave this one. I need to pay this bill. Less money only for route 53 monthly. Maximum they charge 50, 100 or 150 rupees. But whenever I complete the practice, I need to delete load balancer, target groups. Also for NAT gateway, also you will get bill elastic IP. The things are there. Some of the things will get bill. You need to spend because we need to learn. If you think about bill, I will get bill. I don't practice. No, then you will never get a knowledge. Some of the things we need to give for getting knowledge. Any doubts you can ask me. Then I will explain. Uh, I'm sharing this diagram in a WhatsApp chat. Okay, I think already it was saved. Huh? Okay, I will share it. Shailesh, Shailesh,
Yes, Vinay.
any doubts for
Yes.
you, bro?
That EBS I had, apart from
Okay,
whatever
okay,
taught
okay,
today, I
okay,
don't.
okay, okay. We will discuss that now only.
Do I share the screen?
Okay, okay. Uh, I think our topic is completed. Everyone, if anyone wants to continue with